Okay. You have to get up before you fall in the water, Dylan.
Yeah. And before you bust your head open.
Mm-hmm. Maybe just one at a time would be better. Hold on tight.
Okay, guys. Guys, you want to have a ride on the couch.
Oh, not on the couch, silly. On the floor. Who's going?
Okay, guys, we're going to have a fun time on Blackboard. On Blackboard, our new one. For some fun.
I think it's upside down. Will it still go?
Yes, it will.
Okay.
Oh, guys, have a good time. Oh, yeah.
Good idea, Brayden. I think they're enjoying it. Whoa.
He's in the water.
Watch out. There's sharks in that water.
Yeah. But it's not. No, actually, it's not deep.
It's not deep?
It's like in the little water we're trying to, and there is the shore.
Oh, okay.
We're trying to go in there. The sharks are gonna get you, Mason. They're gonna eat ya. One time I saw this shark show.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no. If you cut yourself and you're in a deep ocean, the blood can attract sharks.
Yeah, it can.
Woo!
You got to sit down, Mason. You have to sit down or you'll fall. Sit down.
Or you can bust his head open.
Yeah.
Only like
Ooh, yeah, that's dangerous right there. No, you guys have to sit. If you want to ride on it, you have to sit.
Okay, guys, ride's over. Ride's over. Ride's over.
Oh.